Hey guys, welcome to another episode on the Life of Sweez channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to set up your virtual classroom. Now my last video, you can check it out up top. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share and like and comment. Let's get back to this. So the last video we spoke about going back to school. Now we have to create this presentation, which we call our virtual classroom. So in previous years, we would go into the classroom and to host what we call open house, where we have parents and students come in and we speak to them face to face. But now we can't go to the physical building, so we have to do something online, virtually this year around. It's called our virtual classroom, and I did mine, and it was successful. So I want to share it with you guys so that you can also create your own virtual classroom to start the new school year, or you can do it for a business or for a meeting or for whatever presentation that you may have. You can do it and it will be successful. Okay, so now I'm going to show you my whole presentation that I use for open house. Present. Okay.
Hello, Cardinals. Bienvenidos a la clase de español. Welcome to my Spanish class. My name is Ryan Sweeney, and I will be your teacher for this academic year. Thank you for choosing my class. As you will be learning a few Spanish words, you will also learn how to greet and say farewell to your friends and family in Spanish. You will also learn how to write a few phrases in Spanish. And lastly, you will get an insight into the Spanish culture. I am excited to meet you as we are about to have fun learning virtually. Gracias. Thank you.
But for this, what I did was I hyperlinked it. So when you click on it, you can see the school supplies here. The same for the rules. You click on the virtual rules. You'll be able to see my rules. The same is being done for additional information. So for the student code of conduct, you click on it. You will see the student code of conduct. If you go to the progress report or the report card schedule, same thing. Lunch pickup, information will be right here. Evaluation criteria, it's right here. So the students just basically go on my presentation and click on the words, and they will see everything because I hyperlinked it. And the last thing right here is the expectations. There you have it. And the last thing on my slide now is my email. And what I did was to hyperlink it right here. So email Senior Sweeney. You can do that. Okay guys, so to create this right here, you have to have a Gmail account. We call it Google account. You have to have a Google account. And when you do that, or when you have that, you're going to go over here to Google Apps. When you select Google Apps, you will then go to Slides. When you click on Slides, this will pop up. You go to Blank, start a new presentation. After you click on Blank, you will see this come up, but you're going to go to Layout right here. Click down on the bar, and you're going to go to Blank at the bottom. And you will have this. Now when you have this, you want to have your background. So you're going to go to Insert. Click on Insert and you go to Image. And from Image, you go to Search the Web. And when you start to search the web, you're going to go to your right hand corner. It says Search for Images. Now I want the background. So what I'm going to put in here is transparent. Always put transparent at the beginning. So transparent. I want wall and floor as the background. So wall and floor background. And at the end, you always put PNG. That's the type of image you want. So transparent wall and floor background. You click on it. You're going to see these images now. I'm going to search for the one that I had, so we can start with that one. Right here. So you're going to click on it, and you're going to say insert. You press insert, and it should pop up over here on the page. You can maximize it, so you use the icon to draw it out, and that's your background. Now I want to add some items you can add. So for example, I want a clock. You go back to insert. So any item you want to add on in your classroom, you always go to insert first, then image. We should take over to search the web. You go over to your right hand corner, and you can delete this that's in there, and you can type in whatever you want. Wait, sorry, let's go back. Insert image, search the web, you delete what is there, and you type in what you want. So for example, I want transparent clock, PNG, and then you click on it. Clocks will come up. Select the one that you want. For example, I want this one. Click on it, then you insert it. It will pop up over here. This is too big, so what you're gonna do is to minimize it. So you bring it. Wait, I made an error. If you made an error like that, which is good, so I can show you. If you make an error like this, you go right over here to undo, and it brings it back to its original state. And I click on the clock now to get the image like this. It has to be around the image. And then you slowly minimize it. Right. You can minimize as how you want. And then you bring it over. And that's your clock. Now you can go on and add whatever item that you want. What I want to do is to do the Bitmoji. If you want to add the Bitmoji, which is yourself, which you see in this presentation. So you can add this by doing this. Now to create this Bitmoji, you have to go press a new tab. I'm gonna go over here to the top right hand corner where you see the 3 dots. When you click on it, you go to more tools. You go to more tools, and after more tools, you go to extensions to bring it here. Now I already have Bitmoji, but I'm going to still show you. You're going to go over here to main menu and go down to open Chrome Web Store. I'm using the Windows. I suppose it can be used for any other computer. I'm not sure. I hope. When you click on that, this will come up. You go to search the store and you're going to type in Bitmoji. And then you click on it. Now, because I already have it, if I didn't have it, what would be here would be add to Chrome. So you will see for your first time, if you're just adding it, add to Chrome. You're going to click on it and it should download. And you should be good. Once you download it, you're going to open a new tab. And it's going to show right here. We're going to extensions, and you're going to come down. You're supposed to see it, and when you see it, you're going to press pin extension. So I already pinned it, so you're going to see pin extension. You pin it to your browser. Once you pin it, you're now going to go back. Open a new tab, and you're supposed to see the Bitmoji right here. When you click on it, it's going to look like this. And what you're going to do is to type in this search bar, pose. Okay, you want to see all the pose of yourself. Now, when you see all these poses, you're going to search for the one that you think that you want to put on your slide. So, for example, let's choose this one. You go over it like this. Don't click as yet. Go over it. Right click. Copy image. And then you go back to your presentation. And you're going to click now, right click anywhere and press paste. There you are. Then you can fix it as how you want. You can maximize it. You can minimize it. And you can put it over here. And that's it. And then you can add your other items here on your slide to create your Google Classroom. In order to create this person, you have to download the Bitmoji app on your phone, or you can use it through Snapchat. And once you do that, you create the person. You're going to create it as closely as possible to how you look, as best as you want. And that's pretty much it. Use the Bitmoji app to create yourself or Snapchat. Okay, say for example, this is the document that I want to post. I already written it on Word document. Welcome to the Life of Sweens YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Bevel. Now I want this to be posted, so I will highlight everything. Then I will click, copy. Then I will go to my browser, open a new tab, go to Google Apps, Google Docs, blank, and I will paste it here. Now, after having pasted it here, I will give it a title. Yes, welcome to the Life of Sweens YouTube channel. I press enter, and it is saved. Then I will go over here to share. That's the next thing you have to do. Go to share, because if you see, let me go back. If you look, it says private to only me. So I want to share it. Below it, this is linked to my school. So I click on it, and I'm going to change it to anyone with the link. And I will copy the link, and I will press done. Now I have the link copied. So what I want to do now is to go back to my presentation or my slide. Say I want to put it right here. So say for example, I want to put it somewhere here. What I could do is to go to insert again, image, search the web, transparent. I can go in the middle right here and put chalkboard. That was in bold. Let's see if it will still come up. Okay, it's right here. Let's choose this chalkboard. And then I press insert. Now it's big, so we're going to minimize it. Okay, there it is. So I want to put it right here. So what I do is to insert a text box. So with this right here, I would create a text box. So insert text box. And I would draw one right here. And then I would maybe change the color up here from the text color from black to about red. And then in the box, I'll type Life of Sweens. Just giving you an example. And then that's it. So now I want to put the link right here. So I will go over the word, right click, link, paste the link right here. It says paste. And then I'm going to type Life of Sweens again. And then I'm going to apply it. And you're going to see the highlighted Life of Sweens. So therefore I have to go and erase the one that I've written before. As you can see, it is already showing the document. Okay, good. So now on this, if you realize, if you tap on it, it comes up. And here is my whole document. Welcome to the Life of Sweens YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Bevel. And it's right here. So that's how easy you can do it. Now, in order to create this video, you have to go to Zoom. So you have to download the Zoom app. Go in the search bar, go to Google, type in Zoom. Zoom app. And you look for the app. Okay, so once you download the Zoom app, you open it. It should take you to home. At home, you're going to go over to settings. Click on settings and you're going to select background and filters. Once you select background and filters, it says right here a solid color video background is required. Green color is preferred. So you're going to try to get a solid color behind you, preferably in green. Once you put that up and you stand like this behind it, you're going to minimize this screen right here, put it down, and you are going to start a meeting. Join with computer audio. Once you start the meeting, you're going to record the meeting. So you can go into more, record on this computer, and your meeting starts to record, and you talk what you want. Remember, behind you will have that green screen, that thing that you put up behind you. To get this image, I will tell you afterwards. But after you do this and you record yourself, you press end meeting for all. And then it is, you have a recording that needs to be converted before viewing. And it converted, and then you can open it right here on this computer. See? And your meeting starts to record. And you talk what you want. Remember, behind you will have that. But just remember, it will look better once there is a green screen behind you and everything. But to get this, I put this image behind me. To get this image behind me, first, because you need to have an image behind you, what you have to do, so to get this image, what I do, you go to right here, it says stop video, but this bar right here, you press on it, it says choose virtual background. Now, I already selected this one as my background, that's why you're seeing this. Now I can change it. To change it, you go over here to the plus button and you select, you're gonna see it says add image. You click on it, add image. I already have this, so I'm gonna use this one instead. I click on it, open, and see that's the background. You can change it again, add image, and what if I want to use this one? I got these off the internet, and I press open, and that's it. And again, once the solid green color is behind me, once I start recording, it is good. So I will close it, and remember, you go to more, record on this computer, and then you record yourself, stop, save the video, and you're good to go.